Hello, children, and welcome back. We are here with the part 3 of the Sermon at Banaras MCQ. We have one more part after this. This is for class 10th English. I hope you're enjoying these videos. If you are, please subscribe, like, and share. Okay, the first MCQ question. What did Kisa Gautami think to herself after meeting Gautama Buddha? Death is inevitable. Death is the fate of mankind, and no one can avoid dying, and the wise don't grieve. So, children, all of these is what Kisa Gautami thought to herself. So, all of the above. Who did Kisa reach? Gautama Buddha, Ashoka the Emperor, Alexander the Great, or none of the above? Again, an easy one. It's Gautama Buddha. What was the speciality of the mustard seeds demanded by Gautama Buddha? They should be from a house where no one has lost a husband or a parent. They should be from a house where no one has lost a friend. They should be from a house where no one has lost a child, or all of the above. So, children, the कंडीशन गौतम बुद्धा पुट वाज ऑल ऑफ द अबव. तो कहीं पे किसी की डेथ ना हुई हो ऐसा होना चाहिए. वहां से मस्टर्ड सीड लेके आओ, आपका बेटा जिंदा हो जाएगा. What food did Gautama Buddha take while sitting under the tree? To make a home under the tree, to stay here there until he gets enlightenment, or to make a home and stay till enlightenment? Answer is he took the vow that he will stay there until he gets enlightenment. जब तक enlightenment नहीं आएगी, he will not move. The sermon at Benares is the story of an unfortunate woman. Gautami, Kisa Gautami, Kosa Gautami, or none of the above. Again, children, it's an easy one. We've done it. It's Kisa Gautami. What did Kisa need from Gautama Buddha? Medicine that could cure her family, that could cure her son, or that could cure her. Answer is again easy one. That could cure her son. That's what she was looking for. What was Siddhartha Gautama known as after attaining enlightenment? The Buddha, the Gautama, the Siddhartha, or all of the above? Actually, after enlightenment, he was referenced as the Buddha. You know that. He who has overcome all soon will become free from sorrow and be blessed. This line has been taken from the chapter. I think it's an easy one. The sermon at Benares, Gautama Buddha, Kisa Gautami, or none of the above. Answer is the sermon at Benares. What does the Buddha mean? The awakened, the enlightened, both enlightened and awakened, or the one at peace? So answer is both enlightened and awakened. What did Gautama Buddha realize? Life is not worth living. World is full of sufferings, or it's a home of sufferings, or none of the above. Again, easy one. World is full of suffering. What was Gautama Buddha's name? Gautama Buddha, Siddhartha Gautama, both Gautama and Siddhartha, or none of the above. So we know his name was Siddhartha Gautama. What did Kisa do in grief? She carried the dead body of her only son from one place to another. She locked herself in the house. She wandered from place to another, one place to another, or all of the above. So, children, the answer is she carried her dead body of her only son from one place to another. तो वो दुखी हो गई थी, उसके बेटे की death हो गई. Could Kisa Gautami find a house where no one had lost their dear ones? Maybe not, maybe no, or yes. So again, it's impossible when no one had lost their dear ones. So no. What is the world afflicted with as per Kisa's thoughts? Mental illness, death and decay, physical illness, or none of the above? Again, an easy one, children. It's death and decay. That's what world is afflicted with. What was Kisa's grief? She had lost only her only son, jewelry, lost all her treasures, or all of the above. She had lost her only son. That was an easy one. Gautama Buddha left home in search of peace, in search of worldly treasures, in search of equality, or in search of wisdom. So we know it, in search of wisdom he left home. What name did Gautama Buddha give to the tree? Fig tree, banyan tree, bodhi tree, or enlightened tree? So children, we know the name Gautama Buddha gave to the tree where he got enlightened, he gave the name as Bodhi tree. It was called as fig tree, but it was the name given. How long did Gautama Buddha wander in before getting enlightenment? Again, an easy one. 7 years, 17, 18, or 27? The answer is 7 years. 7 years and 7 days he got enlightened. What message did Gautama Buddha begin to teach and spread? All humans are equal. Death can be easily dealt with of wisdom and truth, or all of the above. So children, it's a tricky one. The message Gautama Buddha began to teach and spread was of wisdom and truth. Not कि भी हम death से बच सकते हैं ऐसा कुछ नहीं. So wisdom and truth. What did Gautama Buddha ask Kiza to get? Handful of poppy seeds, sesame seeds, mustard seeds, or all of the above? Again, an easy one. It was a handful of mustard seeds. Siddhartha Gautama sat down under which tree of meditation? Mango, banyan, fig, or coconut. So it's fig tree, also called a people tree in the chapter. Okay, children, this brings to the last question of this part 3 MCQ. What does Bodhi tree mean? The tree of wisdom, the tree of enlightenment, or the tree of peace, or none of the above? So, children, it is called as the tree of wisdom. And children, I wish you all the very good luck and best wishes for your life and exam. I hope you're enjoying it. And please do share, like, and subscribe these videos. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day.